So, Nobis Production. Wow, grabe. Andito siya na tumayo. May sumaling isang babae. Siya na tumayo. Wow, grabe. Whole shot. It's Caria Celestino. Wow. Pang-apat ang babae, guys. Pang-apat ang babae. It's Shana Tamayo. Ayun, no? Caria Celestino. Mercado, McLaren, Shana, Ken Flores, Bukag, Hoy! Nigel, and Sean Gamboa, Lerek, Rivera. Grabe, guys. Gandang laban. Wow. Hoy! Short, McLaren. Caria Celestino, Baby Rod. Ayun, no? McLaren on third, Shana Tamayo on fourth, Kendrick Flores on fifth, Nigel on sixth, and Bukag on seven. Grabe, battle of Rookie of the Year. This is Nobis Production, battle for Rookie of the Year 2026. Ayun, no? Babae versus lalaki. Kendrick Flores versus Shana Tamayo. Estel Caria Celestino. Ayun, no? Wow. Ay, sumemplang si Ken bay. Kendrick Flores down. Wow! Shana Tamayo versus Nigel. Grabe. Ayaw pa iwan ni Shana. Buka kong 6. Sean Gamboa, Lerek Rivera. Sayang Kendrick Flores. Ayun, no? Wow! Ayan, still leading Caria Celestino. Ayun, no? Second, it's Christopher Mercado. Overlap, the plane overlap. Wow. It's Caria Celestino on the lead. Mercado on second, McLaren on third, and then Nigel. Shana Tamayo, nag-isang babae on fifth. Grabe. Bukag on 6. Sean Gamboa, Lerek Rivera, and Ken Flores. Sayang si Ken sumemplang. Wow. Battle of second, McLaren versus Christopher Mercado. Wow. Ayan. Alakas yan, McLaren. Ahay. Last two laps. Battle of second, McLaren versus Christopher Mercado. Wow. Nigel on fourth, Shana Tamayo on fifth. Last two laps. Wow. last lap. Last 2 laps. Ayan, battle of second. Battle of second. Second na McLaren. Third, Mercado. La, sino yun? Nigel? Nigel yun? Okay. Grabe, tumayo lang. Parang na-overshoot si Nigel. May sumemplang, ay. Okay lang. Wow. Carrier Celestino. McLaren on second. Checkered flag. Champion Celestino. Second, it's McLaren. Third, Christopher Mercado. Fourth, Shana Tamayo. Fifth, it's Kendrick Flores. Checkered. Shana on fourth. And then Kendrick Flores on fifth. Gandang laban guys. Nigel, na-overshoot si Nigel. Then Bukag. Nigel is down. Checkered.